Hi, I'm Sarah Barker, aesthetic nurse practitioner and founder of the Flawless Pen for microneedling. For a beginner microneedling treatment today, I'm going to show you how to do a rejuvenation treatment to the face. Before treating a client, you should always gain their full medical history and gain their consent. We have these little booklets that allow you to record the treatment and give the client all the information before they start treatment. Before we start the treatment, we're going to double cleanse with a cleanser. We will be launching a Flawless Pen cleanser, but at the moment I'm using Medicate Cream Cleanse, which is suitable for all skin types. Right, so I've just applied the cleanser all over the face, and I'm going to remove using disposable gauze. I'm going to double cleanse, so I'm going to do this twice. The procedure can be uncomfortable, so it is advisable to use a topical anaesthetic all over the face. Today I'm going to use Emla Cream. Now the topical anaesthetic has had time to work, I'm going to re-cleanse the face. Because we don't want any oils or bacteria to be needled into the skin, I'm going to cleanse using an alcohol-based solution. This is isopropyl alcohol 70%. Before a treatment, the pen should be charged and tested to make sure you're ready to begin your treatment. We're using the single-use Flawless tips for the Flawless Pen. Ensure that your pen dial is turned to 0 before inserting the needle. The single sterile packs are easily opened and the needle should be inserted when the dial is on 0. Put your dial to 0.2 to start the treatment. So I'm going to apply the Flawless Hyaluronic Acid Serum to the first area that I'm going to treat, which is the forehead. My pen dial is on 0.2, which is our starting depth. Started the battery, and I'm going to treat the forehead first of all. And what I'm looking for as a clinical endpoint is erythema. So I'm gliding around in circular motions all along where I've applied the hyaluronic acid. And if you take a closer look, you'll clearly see the contrast of the erythema that we're looking for the rejuvenation treatment. So the beauty of a pen device is, because the small needle head tip, you can get very close to under the eye. You can even do the eyelid without any damage, and you can also treat dark circles under the eye and very fine lines. So I've now completed the full face rejuvenation treatment. How was that for you?
That was wonderful. It's not as painful as I thought it was going to be. I could feel it slightly on my top lip and just under the eyes, but it wasn't painful at all.
That's lovely, thank you very much. It's very effective on the top lips, particularly Charlotte's got hardly any lines, she's got absolutely lovely skin, but on some older ladies or people who've smoked in the past, or just unfortunately have the smoker's lines on the top lip, it's absolutely brilliant and a good alternative to using dermal filler and a lot less painful. As an added extra, we do have the Flawless Pen post-treatment mask. As you can see, the face is quite red and it can feel quite hot and a little bit sore after the treatment. The redness will go down in the next hour or two, but to speed up that process we can put a lovely cool mask over. You can keep these in the fridge so they're extra cool. So I'll just show you that we're just going to apply this now. They just come in a single use, easy to open packet. And they're made of a gel type material, so they are quite slippery and wobbly, but it's quite cooling on the face. So I'm just going to ask Charlotte, so she's got her eyes closed for me. I'm just going to pop this over. So, like I say, this is just an added extra for the client, just to cool down that redness if they're going to a party or they need the redness to subside a little bit quicker. It makes the treatment a little bit longer, a little bit more luxurious, and it also adds a lot more hydration because again we've got hyaluronic acid in the face mask. So I'm going to leave this on for about 20 minutes. So as an added benefit for your clients, we do offer a retail product. These are collagen with vitamin C tablets, and they can purchase these and take them. There's a 60-day supply, and this will, not only have we stimulated the collagen from the outside of their skin, obviously nutrition is really important to have healthy skin, so they can take these home with them and further enhance the treatment. So as the final part of the treatment, we need to protect our client's skin before they leave the clinic. Even on a day that's not sunny, we still need to use an SPF, and this is really important, especially as we've just done a rejuvenation treatment. We don't want to put the client's skin at risk. So I'm going to use Hydrate 360, which is part of the Medicate range, and this is actually an SPF 30, and I would then advise my client to use this on a daily basis, and particularly for at least 14 days post-treatment. So now I would advise my client, do nothing else today, that will be fine, to keep on the protective serum. We put the SPF on, so nothing else needed for today. And as from tomorrow, you can use a mineral makeup. I would recommend using mineral makeup rather than a chemical makeup, and this will just further look after the skin. So the treatment we've done today is a rejuvenation treatment. We will do further videos on treatments for stretch marks, scars and things like that, but the treatment that we've done today is for rejuvenation, but it can also help with pigmentation. We do recommend that you have a treatment once every 4 weeks for a course of about 6 to see the optimum results. So it is a longer process than your normal Botox and fillers, that sort of thing, but it is a real natural and evidence-based treatment to do the microneedling with the Flawless Pen. Please subscribe to the YouTube channel Flawless Pen for more videos on how to use our microneedling device. Thank you for watching.